If you want to create a GIF image without any software, so this video is just for you. Welcome back to our Learn in a Minute video series where we can learn about computer, internet, applications and much more in just a minute. So guys, to create GIF image online, go to this website called imgflip.com. The link is in the description box down below. So to create GIF image, simply click on upload image button and select your image. Now here are some GIF settings. From here we can adjust our GIF image speed, and from here we can adjust the width and the height of our image, and from here we can select the quality of our GIF image. Down below here are some settings where we can add text to our GIF image, crop and rotate our GIF image. Now to generate our GIF image, just click on this generate GIF button, then click on download image. That's it guys for this video. If you like this video, do hit the like button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do hit the subscribe button down below. That's it for this video, and I'll see you on my next one.